Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I am sharing a Halloween card. Yes, Halloween will be here before you know it, and I just got my pre-order from Stampin' Up, and I've really wanted to play with it. I already did a Facebook Live on Sunday and I did a Christmas project, so you might want to check that out. And if you haven't liked my Facebook page, it's Stamping with Amore on Facebook. And if you haven't checked it out, I do Facebook Lives on Thursdays at 6:30 Central Time, and I normally do 3D projects because that is what most of everybody wanted, so that's what I do. And so I did share a Christmas project that was super adorable the other day, so you might want to check that out over there. But I am going to today do a Halloween card, and it's super simple and easy, but it's so darn cute. And I actually just love this little kitty cat on here, and this is why I got this. So this is the Wonderfully Wicked. All these products will be available September 4th, and if you don't have a demonstrator and you'd like a holiday catalog, please feel free to contact me and I'd be happy to be your demonstrator. Alright, so let's get started with this. It is a 5 1/4 by 4 1/2, 5 1/2 by 4 1/4 standard card base, and this is thick whisper white. We're going to need a piece to mat it, which is once again one of our new products. It is called the Monster Bash Designer Series paper, and it is this one right here. Super cute, and I'm actually using the back of this little bat right here. So we're using the back of that. And then to stamp on, you're going to need a piece that is 3 3/4 by 5. So let's get that ready to stamp. I did make a little template with, all I did was cut a piece of window sheet and I punched it out. And this is a 2-inch circle punch. So I punched a little circle out, and that's what we're going to use for the little moon on this. So what I did here is I put a little washi on here so it just hold it still for where I want it. And I'm just going to set that down on my card. And I am using these little makeup brushes, but you can use the Stampin' Up sponges. I am having so much fun with these brushes, so I decided I'm going to use that for this. And we're going to use for this some Mango Melody and some Daffodil Delight. And I am going to get a little like paper towel so that I can clean off my little makeup brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get the ink off of there, and we're just going to start sponging this. And if you follow me on Instagram, I did a similar card. It's not Halloween, but I did a masculine card. And I did it, posted it on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram, because there are things that I do not share on my blog or on YouTube that I do share on Instagram. Alright, so that is the Daffodil Delight. I'm going to just clean that off, make sure it's nice and clean. I'm just going to take a little Mango Melody, and we are going to start. And this is super easy to do. Like I said, you could use a sponge. I'm leaving the inside middle a little bit light. That's what the look I'm kind of going for. And I think I'm about where I want to be. So that's going to be it. I'm going to once again clean off my brush. These clean really easily. And I found that if you just use some like stamp cleaner, I have the Stampin' Up one, and I use that, and it cleans these really good. Alright, so let's remove this, and we're going to have our little moon right there. Alright, so let me grab the stamps, and I'm going to use some Memento Black ink, and we are going to stamp this. Really simple stamping. So we're going to ink up our little kitty here. And we're going to stamp him right in the middle. And then we're going to do the Happy Halloween. And both these images, the sentiment and the image, are both from the same stamp set. Isn't that cute? I love the writing on this too. This stamp set is a keeper for sure. Alright, so let's go ahead and grab some snail, and I'm going to add it to my card base here. And then we're going to put on our so there it is. Is that not so cute? I just love this, and it's super simple and easy. So I hope you enjoyed the card today. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope you all have a blessed one, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you later, everyone. Bye-bye.